heading down to this watering hole that we've seen some hogs in the past, and with any luck they'll be there again today. It's a pretty hot day, so we're willing to bet they're bunkered down in the mud back here. With any luck, Taylor will be able to get one with his AR. Oh yeah. Hey, there's some over there.
He turns and says, "Oh shoot, we got some in the field." We turn, there's a group of, a couple and some younger ones out there just cruising the field, rooting around and such. So we set everything up and I got the gun up and ready. So I was like, better squeeze off a shot pretty quick because I didn't want to risk him bolting into the brush. So I went ahead and turned and shot, relatively fatal shot. It put it down, but hog jumped right back up and took off running. If I wouldn't have chased him and stayed on his tail, he would have been lost for sure. With how thick this brush is and shooting the 55 grains, there wouldn't have been a good enough blood trail without bringing dogs out here to really get him. So I knew I had to stay right on him. So it was a good little sprint, but we ended up getting him.